guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my slimes. This is my first slime I made in my first channel, and this is my other slime, and this is my other slime, and this is my other slime, and this is my other slime. So which one I want to play with? Step these aside. Let's play with this one. It's so nice and stretchy, you see. And I love this kind of, because look inside of it, guys. I love it because it's perfect, and I love it how it goes. So my next one is the same slime, but it's just how it feels. It's all about how it feels, right? So look at this. Look at all the balls in there. See? But it's just... So next I'm going to do is this pink nice slime. Because the pink is more stretching. Look at it. It's so stretchy. It's so soft. And there's a unicorn in there. Let me show you. See? You guys see in the slime? Let me take it off first. And then oh, there's some more slime. Let me show you. See? So then we put it back in there. Look. Whoa. So slimy. So you just put it back. You see how it bounces. Bounce very good. Look. It bounce very good. Bounce. Let's see how it bounces. Okay, it bounced very good. So just do that. And next we're going to close it. Take this kind of slime. My blue nice slime. Look, there's a star in there. See, you guys? Let me show you. See? So now just bounce it. Just bounce it. It bounced very good. So when we're done bouncing it, yes, you stretch it and bounce it. That's what we do in this video. So, this slime, right? This slime is perfect. Look. Stretch. It bounced very good. And I love how it stretched. It bounced very good. And it stretched very good. And I love it. Here's the charm. It's a cloud charm. So the last one is this big one. I found at the store because this looks so good for my video. I'm just taking half because it takes a hard time to take out. So look at the slime. It looks so pretty. It came with this red cherry ball. See, look. Let me show you guys. This red cherry ball. See? It's cool. Let's see if it's bouncy. It's so good bounce. And you see how it stretched? It stretched very good. And I love it. So that's all we're going to do. And guys, you'll find these at the store, guys.